how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, you will see lots of amazing recipes, restaurant style recipes, daily cooking, everything, and stuff that can help you take care of your skin and your health. So in today's video, I got you Pixi Milky Mist review. So as most of you know, I believe that good skincare leads to higher level of confidence and of course good makeup. So I believe in good skincare. First things first, I review and you decide whether the product is right for you or not. So I love the packaging. As you can see, it's a glass bottle and you can see the product, how much you have. I love that. And you can see that it's really a fine mist that sprays on your face. I really like that fine mist. What I like to do is cleanse my skin. I right now washed my face and I'm ready. I spray this first and then apply my skincare. That's how I like to use this. And the main important thing is I started loving facial mist for past 3 to 4 years and I love using facial mist on my skin. So let me spray and show you how I use it. Close your eyes and spray all over. This is how I like to use it. It really gives you that refreshing feeling, a bounce of hydration feeling. It's really like refreshing feeling. Anyway, I feel like facial mists are especially important during extreme hotness or extreme coldness. Both are bad for your skin. To make your skin look healthy, if you use your facial mist, they give you a ounce of hydration and you feel really good about your skin. That's what I like to use it for. I wouldn't say like this is doing something magical for your skin, but I would say this is an okay product. It doesn't do anything negative for your skin. It provides the hydration. It feels really refreshing. Only negative point that I see with this is price point is 2.7 ounces cost $15. I wish that price was little bit lower, like $10. This would have been a great product, but I would say give it a try once to see if it works for you. So I hope you like this review, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions regarding this product, leave me a comment below and I will answer it for you.